Hello and welcome again to Stocks Advisor. Today we'll talk about CF Acquisitions Corporation, ticker name CFVI. And actually today it had quite interesting action. Let's a little bit magnify it for our convenience. And you can see that we are forming seemingly a classical zigzagging upwards trend. Here finishing it currently at the daily candle at 10.13. But the question is it really going to continue growing? Because this upward shadow is quite nasty actually, and it might mean that, well, could be the false call, but still, if it's not false, how to trade here? Let's have a quick idea what we can do. So what the formation is, or at least seemingly formation, it's so-called clear zigzagging. So you have a quick start of the formation of a breakthrough, then a big usually upward shadow, meaning kind of bearish pressure, and then bears cannot hold it anymore and we have a real breakthrough. So that's the hope here. We also have quite good volume here being bought in, so looks like that free shares might be again drawing out if no one is having something in depository to really make a nasty shortage action. If it's not going to happen, then we, of course, will jump up and then we can make quite nice profit. But don't forget, we have this big upward shadow, meaning that the volatility most probably will be taking place here, and this will be quite strong within these boundaries. Actually, we can go anywhere low between the opening, actually all the way even to here, taking as a guideline these areas, actions and end of June of this year. So this would be entry opportunity, I would say, the first buying opportunity here, and then at the rebounds we can sell. This would be quick touch, I would say, actually even a little bit higher. It will be quick touch if it's a real retrace, and then we should go up. If not, we might quite nastily decline actually, and then we should be ready to buy at the lower levels, and this would be our second level to buy. Again, let's magnify it here just to see the level. So we then actually anchored to this action in beginning of July, and this would be our second entry opportunity to rebounds if something bad takes place. Well, if you look historically, there is nothing we can anchor even further, only this action, but not really, let's say, possible seemingly, but we still would like to keep it in mind just in case something bad takes place, and that's usually what we do here. That's why we also give this third level to buy. So three levels to enter here. One, the first technical, as we call it, 10.06, 10.10, very quick action, and then at the rebounds we buy. Advice to sell here in the vicinity of 10.25, because then a very strong volatility might take place. But if you want to take risk, it might actually go quite high. Don't forget the previous actions here, they were quite positively nice. But otherwise, if immediate decline takes, we go to the second technical level, it will be entry at 990, 995, and then if it's a major decline, we might do a quick action move downwards, and then unavoidable actually a rebound should take place. In this case, should be trading, let's draw it, should be trading something like this. Quite nasty action, but if any, should be trading something like this as well. I don't know the angle of it and how far it will go. We will see on the development, but this is the worst case scenario. Therefore, we keep some money to buy at the third level. And as always, we advise doing non-linear trading entry. What does it mean? It means that actually the money you trade here, you can split in 5 portions in this case, and then you can buy with 1 portion at the first level. If you go to the second level, you buy with 2 portions, and then if you go to the third level, you buy with another 2 portions. So let's make it a little bit bigger font here so it's better visible. So that would be the trading strategy here within these 3 levels. As I said, 10.06, 10.10, very fast entry, then 990, 995 you can say, and then actually 960, 966 for quick rebounds. And as always, if you are above your average price up to 10%, we advise to sell. Don't be too greedy, don't wait too much, don't try to become rich from one trade. Do it on a regular basis. This is usually the best strategy. So that's the way to trade quite fast action here. As I said, if you look at the bigger magnification, that's what people hope for. It might really go these nasty waves, but I wouldn't ever bet on those. Just be decent and reasonable on this possible quick actually breakthrough toward upwards. And of course, if you would ask in the most crazy situation, what would be the ultimate resist level. Of course, this is the moving average 200, this red line, but I wouldn't bet on it. Some people might, but if we go further, I wouldn't expect it to go, at least without a fight, higher than 11.23. So that's the way here to trade. That's how we see it at CF Acquisitions Corporation. Good luck with it if you choose to trade. Don't forget to actually hedge your risks with nonlinear averaging down. If you like this way of trading, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US-based stocks. With this being said, good luck with CFVI and see you at another episodes of Stocks Advisory channel.